Who will be the Antichrist? Could he already be among us? And I saw a beast rising out of the sea, having authority over every nation and tongue. Thus proclaim the ancient prophecies, recorded in the book of Revelation. The prophecy speaks of a being who will rise in the last days, with words of peace upon his lips, yet war within his heart. He will come in times of confusion, when the nations cry out for order and humanity longs for an earthly Savior. And behold, a man shall arise, wise in the eyes of the world, eloquent, admired, exalted as a messenger of light. But his brilliance is earthly. It does not come from above. It comes from the darkness that deceives the hearts of men. Many will follow him, drawn by worldly ideologies. Before him kings will bow, crowds will applaud, and truth will be traded for the mere appearance of good. He will speak in the name of peace, yet bring servitude. He will promise freedom, yet imprison souls. His power will not come from weapons but from deceit. He will not rule only over empires but over minds and hearts. For the Antichrist will not come merely as a man. He will come as a system, a spirit, a lie disguised as hope. Look around you. Observe carefully. The world already bows before technology, power, image, and gold. The nations unite under one voice, and people trust machines more than the truth. Is the way being prepared? Perhaps he is already among us, watching, building his throne, waiting for the hour to be revealed. The scriptures declare, "Let him who has understanding calculate the number of the beast, for it is the number of a man." And they also warn, there will be a time of great confusion. For falsehood will arise, deceiving, if possible, even the chosen ones. Therefore watch and pray, for the enemy will not come as an enemy, but as a friend, a liberator, a redeemer of the world. In the last days, truth will be as rare as pure gold. Iniquity will multiply and hearts will grow cold, and deception will become law. But he who stands firm, who does not bow before the false light, that one will inherit eternal glory. Who will be the Antichrist? Perhaps we do not yet know his name, but the signs are already among us. He who has ears, let him hear what the Spirit says to the churches. Guard your spiritual life and serve the Most High God. Do not believe in the man of deception. If you enjoyed this biblical message, leave your like and subscribe to the channel. Biblical Showcase will always be with you.